XRP holders, I have a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about XRP and my opinion on where I think we could be headed here, because as of recording of this video, Bitcoin is taking a massive tumble below $82,000, my friends. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Maxi. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are starting off here on Crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333Blacksea. I say XRP, unironically, is holding up better than 99% of alts. And I say unironically because a lot of people have fudded XRP. And, a lot of that has to do with a lot of the PTSD from back in 2021, 2022, how XRP didn't reach its 2017 all-time high. It never broke all-time highs. But this cycle, we have broken all-time highs, and it is holding up relatively well. When you look at this chart, yeah, we are seeing a little bit of a move to the downside on like the 4-hourly, and really we're testing a very important level here at about $2. But if we hold this up, you look at some of these other coins, we're holding up relatively well. Now, I will say, they're obviously right now with Bitcoin pulling the entire market down, this probably could break down further. And when you look at this, you see that we have like a somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern forming here. And if you were to measure that, we're talking like probably not anything too significant here. Let's just measure this out. I think I measured this out in my last XRP video, like to the neckline about. And if you were to measure it, you're talking about potentially anywhere from, I would say a target could be as worst case scenario, about $1.08, $1.10, around that level. But right now, guys, we are holding this level. We're holding this level relatively well. And I'm not going to say that we're going to see this head and shoulders pattern play out unless Bitcoin continues to pull the entire market down with it. But guys, XRP has been holding up well. I do think, though, in the short term, you probably will see XRP take a little bit of a stumble here. And if you guys do want to take advantage of that, you want to hedge against your spot XRP position, or you want to just make some more money as XRP goes down, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, and as well as the first 100 people to sign up using my link down below and deposit $100 gets $10 for free in XRP, guys. So check that out. And I do really want to emphasize, I don't think that XRP is just going to go down forever. I think that we are pretty due for a bounce here, probably into March. So I think that probably like the second week into March, we're probably going to see a bounce. Now the question is that like a face-ripping rally? I kind of want to lean into the idea and say, no, it's probably not. And really, that'll probably just be an opportunity to take potential profits, guys. I know I don't want to be a huge bear. Guys, you need to be very, very careful at these pivotal moments during the cryptocurrency 4-year cycles, because right now, we are in phase 3 of this bull market, and it is phase 4 of this cycle. This is when you see all-time highs with extreme volatility, very trappy price action, but it has the most gains, guys. This is the best time to be trading, but it is also very, very difficult. So just be known, the higher the risk, the higher reward. It's as simple as that. But as of right now, guys, I am keeping my eyes open. I do have some short positions open on XRP and other altcoins for the short term, because I do expect there to be a bounce here relatively soon. We look at XRP, we're sitting at rank 4, down 21.82% in the past 7 days, down 5% in the past 24 hours. But guys, we're seeing, look at this, Bitcoin down nearly 17% in the past 7 days. That is quite significant, trading at $81,600. It's pulling the entire market down. It's as simple as that. We're trading at $120 billion market cap for XRP, just barely above $2. Guys, if we break below $2 on XRP, like right about here, really, we're playing with it. I do expect us to come down and touch this level here at about $1.80. So keep your eyes open for that. And I don't expect a quick flush, but you need to be paying attention. The way that this market is breaking down right now is very, very slow. It's very fascinating. But I do expect there to be a flush at some point. Maybe that's happening right now. But I do think that if we do close below $2 on XRP, your eyes should be on this line here at about $1.78, $1.80, around that price area. We saw this wick previously test back here in February 3rd, I believe. Yeah, February 3rd. But guys, look at Bitcoin dominance right now. It's pretty fascinating. It can't really make its mind up. It's very choppy and uncertain, just like the overall traditional market. And I really think that we're seeing this overall market-wide sell-off in the traditional market bleeding over into crypto. You know, when people start to get really uncertain and worried about all these tariffs and worried about the overall liquidity in the world getting smaller and smaller, the first thing people are going to do is sell their risk on assets, and that is Bitcoin and crypto, guys. If you've been holding Apple, it has like it's an actual company that everybody in the world uses, like an iPhone, and they're paying you dividends and the price is going up and you can see, hey, I own part of this company. Are you going to sell that first when there's an overall market downturn, or are you going to sell Bitcoin or altcoins first? It's probably the altcoins you sell first. But I will say that right now, when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, I expect this to chop around here. I don't expect a clear break to the upside or a clear break to the downside. But really, when we're, like I've been saying for a while, when we're above this blue line here at about 60% Bitcoin dominance, I am bullish on Bitcoin versus alts. And when we're below it, I'm bullish on alts versus Bitcoin. Now, I will say, there is a world where Bitcoin dumps and Bitcoin dominance dumps with it. There is a world that does happen because, guys, I think a lot of this dumping, the alts dumped before Bitcoin dumped. It front ran Bitcoin dumping, which is pretty crazy. But I think a lot of people kind of saw what was going on in the overall macroeconomics of the world and said, hey, I want to position myself to wealth preservation right now. So they probably moved their money from alts into Bitcoin for a loss, and it just started a cascading effect. And then Bitcoin is now, people are taking profits or selling at a loss, and now they're just trying to hoard cash because they see the overall market, the traditional market, is coming down because of all the uncertainty with these tariffs. With basically, people are all worried about the prices of eggs. They're not going to be buying altcoins and meme coins, guys. This is not the same time. This is not the same environment as it was back in 2021. It's not. Money's tight for a lot of people, and there's no helicopter money yet. There might be some with a $5,000 refund from the IRS. We'll see if that happens. I think that's kind of a pipe dream, but it might. Something like that could really propel us back to the upside. But guys, you look at Bitcoin here. This is what's bringing XRP down. This is what's bringing the entire market down, and the traditional market is probably what's bringing Bitcoin down. And also, we did have some major local top signals. I'm not saying that the top is in for this cycle, but I am saying that this is a local top. This for sure is a local top. You zoom out here, it's bearish. We're breaking down through very, very important support levels. And you know, guys, seeing daily candle closures below this yellow line at about 88K, I expect us to come down here and test 74,000. Question is, how long does that take? I think that we see a little bit of a bounce into March. Maybe halfway through March, we come up here and test 94,000. But I am looking for a rejection off of that bounce if we do get all the way up there. That'd be very bullish if we came all the way up here. Anything above 94K, I would say, wow, that was a crazy bear trap. But I think that right now, this is healthy, guys. You know, all these meme coins, all this liquidity extraction out of the crypto space. Maybe it's time the market needs to cool off a little bit, let that froth dissipate a bit. I think that would be appropriate. Now, I will say that XRP is holding up well. It is in a little bit of a bearish formation here, head and shoulders, but guys, it is holding up well versus like 99% of these alts. It's really only down from all-time highs to, we're seeing like a 38, 40% drawdown, but Ethereum is down, I think, 40%. I think maybe down 50%. We were all the way up at like 4,200, and then we're all the way down at 2,100. So, yeah, about 50% drawdown. You're seeing Solana down 60%. You're seeing big softs, and XRP is holding up relatively well here. The question is, does it close below $2? If it closes below $2, I think we're testing this level here. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. What do you think? Do you think that this bull market, we're going into a mini bear market? Are we also going to be waiting on the market to digest the tariff talk, wait for the FOMC meetings to come out and see Jerome say, yeah, we're starting quantitative easing, we're cutting rates? Or is this it? Or is the top in and we have to wait a couple of years? I'm very, very curious on what you guys have to say about that. I think right now, if you are an XRP bull, wait maybe a little bit longer, maybe short over on Blowfin, get some more money to buy this dip if you want to be holding XRP for 5 years, 10 years. It's probably a good buying opportunity, but not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. I put my money where my mouth is, and right now I am hedging my spot positions with shorts, and I'm shorting some altcoins because I think that is a profitable trade right now. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.